Describe this keyboard as jade. It couldn't be more appropriate. Akko YU01. Highly crafted resin shell. Round and transparent without defects. Compact layout with tri-mode connections. Then match the PC keycaps of the same color. It really looks like a finely crafted piece of art. The keycaps are made of PC material. Classic ASA height from Akko. Unlike our usual transparent PCs, the keycaps don't look transparent this time. When the RGB lights turn on, it takes on a jade-like glow. Disassembly is relatively simple. It features the classic boat-shaped structure, securely mounted to the keyboard base, paired with a 3,750 mAh lithium battery. Resin shells have always been available, but most of them are handmade. There will inevitably be some flaws. Large factories are at the level of craftsmanship, including the location of the battery and interface. It's all reserved. The liner includes silicone foam, a pet sheet, and switch pads. Equipped with its own V3 Piano Pro switches. 45G trigger pressure. The overall feel is very solid. It also sounds very well right out of the box. This keyboard's craftsmanship and texture are impeccable, especially in today's market where product uniformity is common. And unique keyboards are hard to come by. This is definitely one you don't want to miss.